Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete installation and optimization process to successfully run a fully functional NextCloud server natively inside your Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system environment. Since NextCloud is designed and built for Linux architectures, our absolute best path forward is utilizing the powerful Windows Subsystem for Linux framework. So go ahead and right-click your Start menu, open up the Terminal app with elevated administrator privileges, type in the command wsl-install, and quickly restart your machine to let the virtual architecture activate completely. Once your system boots back up, open your newly installed Ubuntu command terminal layer, establish your custom secure Unix username along with a unique master password, and then immediately execute the classic system update and upgrade command strings to ensure your environment is totally secure. Next, we will use the highly reliable Snap distribution system to deploy the entire application stack in one single action. So input the command sudo snap install NextCloud directly into your terminal prompt and allow the script to automatically fetch, configure, and initialize the underlying Apache web server, MySQL database layers, and necessary PHP execution scripts. After the terminal completes the installation process, you need to configure your master admin credentials by running the nextcloud.manual-install command, followed directly by your preferred administrative username and a highly secure password. Now, minimize the terminal window, launch your favorite modern web browser on your desktop, and type in localhost or 12.0.0.0.1 directly into your top address bar to pull up the clean NextCloud login landing page. Input your freshly created administrative credentials to access your beautiful local cloud storage dashboard. And if you want to seamlessly sync your local computer files, go ahead and download the official NextCloud desktop client for Windows. Paste in your local server address, link your user account, and you can instantly start backing up your media folders automatically.